12 plastic storage bins. Bins are all interchangeable and removable. Handles make it easy for an adult to lift and move as needed. Smart, sturdy construction. Packaged with detailed, step-by-step assembly instructions. The KidKraft Sort It Store It bin unit is a big, smart solution to family storage. With 12 interchangeable and removable plastic bins, this toy organizer offers plenty of room for toys, school and crafting supplies, books and anything else your kids cherish. The sturdy wood frame means this item will last for years. Top reviews from the United States. Great, great, great. Love this product. I read a few mixed reviews so was a little worried. I am glad I bought this, it is wonderful. One major thing that several reviews addressed was it not having anything to attach it to the wall. Well, mine had a strap, plastic type piece included with the hardware and its own instructions for its installation. The product itself was easy to put together, which I was worried about 'cause of some of the reviews with the holes not lining up, so I am glad I didn't get one like that. The one I received was just like the picture with the multicolored bins and espresso wood, which it said yellow bins or something when I ordered, but the picture was correct. My son loves this 'cause it is much easier for him to access his toys and he cleans them up very well. I did have to show him that we have to take the bins off 'cause the only thing I have a concern about is the strength of the poles that hold the bins and how long they will last. They hold a lot with quite a bit of weight from all his cars and monster trucks being on the bottom, but my concern is over time will they hold up.